So magandang araw kabola. Sa video na ito pag-uusapan po natin kabola isang interesting po na free agency rumor na nilabas po ni Snow Badwa. Ito medyo hindi na pag-uusapan pero nabanggit niya doon po sa pinakamarecent niya po na podcast kabola. So magugulat kaya kayo dito. So hindi pa nakasubscribe pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. Sabi po dito, sa first week po ng PBA si Stephen Holt po nakakuha po ng Player of the Week record kabola. And of course, we are very happy. Dito po ay si Stephen Holt kabola, pinapakita niya na, pina-prove na po niya kabola that he is really the deserving number 1 pick of the first draft po noong 2023 kabola. 22 points, 8.5 rebounds, 4 assists, 4.5 steal kabola. This guy is for real. This guy is not really a rookie in a way kabola. Alam na niya what to do. So I think if Terra Firma reach the playoffs and this guy is allowed to be himself 100% kabola, baka maka-semis to kabola. On the other hand naman, another rumored farm team of SMC, ito nga pong paggaling na po sa mga injury ni Lucero at sa ni Will Navarro ang usap-usapan. Of course, si Lucero yung talagang pinaka-inantabayanan kasi rookie to and he played his first game. Of course, he was impressive kabola. He played as expected, very athletic, very energetic kabola. He was all over the court. Yan naman talagang expected natin dito kay Lucero kabola. Sana lang wag niya masyadong galingan, baka kasi pitasin daw agad kabola. Pero overall, this guy is for real. There are some analysts who actually wanted him to go top 2 kabola. So, swerte ng Northport kasi nahulog sa kanila kabola. Pero, it ups to them now kabola kung paano nila ito i-develop, diba? Paano nila i-increase po yung kanya pong kailangan po na confidence kabola para may bring out pa po yung iba po pong part ng game niya. Kasi of course, he is still not a complete player. Marami pa siyang pwedeng i-improve kabola. So let's hope for the best. Now, you better watch out. You better not cry. Blackwater is here at the top kabola. After delivering another crushing victory against Converge kabola. So they are now 3-0. And I mean, they are basically 2 wins away from a sure playoff spot and even 1 win from a good shot po for our playoff spot. So almost there na ang Blackwater Elite, di ba? Pwede na ba nating ikasa yung bet natin na magpe-playoff sila? In a way, hindi pa din, di ba? Kasi kung meron isang team kabola na kayang mag 8 straight losses, Blackwater kayang-kaya po yan kabola. So overall though, we are happy that they're doing very well. Marami na talagang kinokonekta to kay James Yap kabola as the reason for this. Pero overall, hindi they are just really playing well. Talagang kumakapit lang ngayon yung sistema po ni Coach Jeff Carriazo. So we expect them to have a much harder time moving forward kabola. Pero of course, we are hoping that they can continue this kasi this is a very good thing for the league. Now, ito na po mga comments po ng mga fans sa mga videos natin. Sabi po ni Sunny Alcaraz, kala ko pa naman hindi na farm team Blackwater, na frustrate naman. Sabi naman ni Romeo Kagikla, yun tunay man about trades, sabi niya dito kabola. Pero overall, of course, farm team pa rin po ang Blackwater. Kaka-trade nga lang, di ba? Pero overall, of course, we want them to succeed. We want that farm team stigma to end. We want them to finally get serious kabola. Will this good run that they are having push them to do so? I hope, diba? We are hoping. Now, the rumor po that is worth it na pag-usapan is that ni-reveal din actually, or nasabi din nitong si Snow Badwa in the most recent podcast, the possibility that Ginebra is actually looking to get back Greg Slaughter. Pero number 1 ngayon na problema dyan is yung rights niya po nasa Northport kabola. Pero of course, in a way, hindi naman niya malaking problema kasi they can always make a trade. Alam naman natin ang connection po ng Northport Batang Pierre sa SMC teams, lalo na siguro sa Ginebra kabola. So overall, this trade rumor or this rumor kabola of free agency, kasi nasa Japan po siya, medyo alanganin nito kasi Greg, according to the most recent interview, is masaya naman po sa ginagawa niya sa Japan kahit hindi siya masyado nakakalaro doon kabola. Pero tingnan natin, di ba? Baka gusto pa rin niya magkaroon ng homecoming at dito pa rin magretiro. Ikaw ba kabola, kung fan ka ng Ginebra, gusto mo bang bumalik po sa inyo si Greg? Comment lang po sa baba.